Welcome to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Standard Junior KG. So children, all sit straight, fold your hands and let us recite our numbers. Today we are going to learn arith oral. But before we start with our further numbers, we will be doing the revision of numbers from 1 to 100. We are going to learn numbers from 1 to 100. So let us all first recite the numbers from 1 to 100, and then we will be doing further numbers from 101. So children, repeat after the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I hope children you all are repeating after the teacher. If you know, you can even say along with the teacher. Okay? No problem. You can even say along with the teacher as well as repeat after the teacher. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. What comes after 99? 100. Now children, sometimes in school, when you come to school, it's not necessary that teacher will tell you to say the all numbers together. ज़रूरी नहीं टीचर आपको पूरा नंबर एक साथ बोले कि आपको बोलने के लिए 1 to 100 और टीचर आपको कहाँ से भी टीचर आपको एक नंबर का सेट पूछेगी, नंबर्स पूछेगी. टीचर आपको पूछ सकते हैं 1 to 50, से फ्रॉम नंबर्स 1 to 50 और से नंबर्स फ्रॉम 51 to 100. इफ़ टीचर से नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 50, so you have to say from number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, till 50. Or if teacher says say 51 to 100, then you have to start your numbers from 51 to 100, that is 51, 52. Okay, so let us say first now along with the teacher from numbers 51 to 100. आप टीचर के साथ बोल सकते हो 51 to 100. Okay, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. After 99 comes 100. So now we have finished learning the numbers 1 to 100. We have finished our revision with numbers 1 to 100. Now we will be learning our numbers ahead. That is what comes after 100? 101. So after 100 comes 101. So today we are going to learn numbers from 101 to 125. So children, keep folding your hands, sit straight and repeat after the teacher. Say 101, 101. 101 is 101. 102. 102 is 102. 102. Repeat after the teacher. 102. 103. 103. 103. 104. 104. 104. 105 is 105. 105. 105. 106. 106. 106. 106. Repeat after me, children. 106. 107. 107. 107. 108. 108. 108 is 108. 109. 109. 109. And what comes after 109? After 109, that is 109. What comes? 110. That is 110. After 109 comes 110. That is 110. Say 110. 110. Repeat after me. 110. 111. 111. 111. 3 ones are there. See? 111. 111. 112, 112. 112 is 112. 113, 113. 113, 113. Repeat after me, children. 113. 114, 114, 114. 114. Repeat after me. 115, 115. 115. 116, 116. 116. 116, that is 116. 117. Children, keep repeating after the teacher. 117. 117. 118. 118. 118. 119. 119. That is 119. 119. 119. And what comes after 119? 120. 19 के बाद क्या आता है? 20. So 119 के बाद क्या आता है? 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. That is 120. After 20 comes 21. So 121. 121. 121. 121. Children, repeat. 121. 122. 122. 122. 123. 123. 123. 124. Children, repeat after me. 124. 124, that is 124. 124. 125. 125. Repeat after me. 125. So today we learn numbers from 101 to 125. We all learn numbers from 101 to 125. Let us quickly go through all the numbers. After 100 comes 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. After 9 क्या आता है? 10 आता है. तो 109 के बाद क्या आएगा? 110 आएगा. और 10 के बाद क्या आता है? 11. तो 110 के बाद क्या आएगा? 111. So 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. So after 19 comes 20. तो इसके लिए after 190 is coming 120, 121. 20 के बाद आता है 21. So 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. So we learned today numbers from 101 to 125. Children, keep practicing these numbers from 1 to 125 till we meet up in the next class. Bye. Thank you.